my channel. It's been a long time that I haven't been on your YouTube feed, so I'm finally back with a bang, and hoping this time I'm going to give you more content. So yeah, and today I came up with a makeup tutorial which is for this New Year Eve, upcoming New Year Eves, and I have created this look with black smoky eyes, nude lips, and a red dress, which is you can never go wrong with. And along with that, I'm wearing this gold tone earring, gold tone jewelry, and everything. So overall, I'm really liking this look. I'm just loving this look. And also I'm wearing a gloss lip, and if you want one, you can just switch the lip color and everything and hair everything. So I wanted to keep it simple but yet glamorous, because it's New Year Eve time. You can wear it at the night time. So I've came up with this look. If you really want to know how to recreate this entire look, then please keep on watching. And without wasting more time, let's just get into the video, and yeah, let's go.
So I'm starting off by moisturizing my face, and the base makeup is pretty much similar that I do always, so that is why I'm going to fast forward this thing a little bit to make the video a little shorter. And now I'm applying primer, and for the moisturizer I used alograce, as you might know and might have guessed it. And for the primer I'm using L'Oreal Beige Magic primer, because that's the only primer that I have. And for the foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. The shade is a bit dark for my skin tone, so to balance out that, I am using the Makeup Revolution stick foundation. That is one of my favorite foundation, you guys might know, because that foundation texture and everything is very good, and these two foundation would give me a perfect match to my skin tone. And then I'm blending it with a beauty blender, and this then I'm going in with the stick foundation again and apply it to the area where I need more coverage, and then blending it with the beauty blender again. Then to cancel out any darkness around my eyes, mouth and area where I have a little bit of dark patches, I'm using this concealer, and this concealer is really beautiful. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade medium deep tan. Now to brighten up my under eye and bring some light to my face, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Sand. This is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. Then to bring some dimension to my face, I am using this contour stick by Wet n Wild. This is so beautiful and easy to blend and to apply. And then I'm blending it with a beauty blender for a natural look. Then I'm setting that cream contour with the help of a powder contour, which is again by Wet n Wild, and this is my favorite contour palette, and this is in the shade Toffee. Then to bring out some flash of color on my cheeks, I'm using this ombre blush from Wet n Wild. This blush looks really beautiful, but the pigmentation is really less, and you need to work out really hard to get that color and pigmentation. And then to finish up everything and lock the makeup, I'm using this makeup finishing spray by NYX. This is a dewy finishing spray, so it will give a good glow to my skin as well. We must never stop the way, Then I've done my brows off camera, because that's pretty much same that I always do. Now moving on to the eyes. For that, I'm taking this Kajal from Lakme. I've chosen this Kajal because it quickly smudges, so that will help to create this eye look. So firstly, I am roughly applying the Kajal all over the lid. As you can see, this need not to be perfect, because anyway I'm going to blend it. Then I'm using a fluffy blending brush, and then blending the edges so that it blurs out perfectly and looks natural. And then I'm taking a more dense and smaller blending brush and taking this black eyeshadow and applying it onto that harsh line that was there when I used the Kajal to blend out perfectly, and extending it upwards. And whatever product left onto the brush, I'm dragging that down into the lower lash line to complete the eye look. Then I'm taking a fluffier blending brush and taking a brown color from this eyeshadow palette and placing it just above the black eyeshadow so that these two colors merge out together and look natural. Make sure you blend everything really well because the key to a good eyeshadow look is blending, so you'd never want to compromise on that. Then I'm taking a flat shader brush and taking a black eyeshadow to bring out some more intensity to the look. I'm placing the black eyeshadow directly onto the lid area where I've applied the kajal and also dragging that down into the lower lash line. Then I'm giving a final blending with the blending brush, and here you go. I've changed my dress and applied falsies and a nude eye pencil into my lower lash line. And for my lips, I'm using the Smashbox Stepping Out in collaboration with Malvika and applying it all over my lips. This is a perfect and beautiful nude lipstick that you can go for. You can definitely switch up the lip color to your choice, but I would always prefer nude over any other color, so that's why I've chosen it. But if you want, you can go for any bright color or something. Now to give some glow to my face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter and applying it to the areas that needs to be highlighted. I'm also applying the highlighter to my collarbone because this dress is little bit revealing, so I wanted that highlighted collarbone. If you want, you can keep your lips matte for this look, but I wanted a glossier look this time. That's why I'm going for this Wet n Wild lip gloss and applying it to all over my lips, and this will give me a pretty good glossy lips, but if you want, you can keep them matte as well. And here's the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I really love this look. Do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about it. This look is really flexible. You can wear it to your office party as well. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you really do, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. And yeah, Happy New Year. Bye.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.